Friends, in this video, I will show how to use an Android phone as a second monitor. So, let's start. At first, we need to download a software, which name is Space Desk, from their official website. I search their website from my internet browser and click download. Now, select your Windows and bit version and click to start downloading. Space Desk, download complete for Windows version. Now, double-click to start the installation process. Click Next, and accept the license agreement. After this, Next, and install. Please wait for a few seconds to finish the installation. Installation complete, click Finish. Our first step is done. Now, go to the Windows search box and type Space Desk Driver Console. Click for Open Space Desk Multi-Monitor Application. Here we can see all the options for using the phone as a second monitor by LAN or USB. Our primary setup is done. Now go to your phone and download the Space Desk application from the Google Play Store. Search the Space Desk application from the Play Store and click Install. Please wait for a few seconds to finish the installation. Installation done, click for Open. Select Do Not Show the message, and click OK. Friend, for using this phone as a second monitor, I use a USB cable, which is connected to my PC. Connect USB with your phone. USB connected. After this, go to your computer and run the Space Desk application to connect with your phone. After opening the desktop application, then you find a notification on your phone, click OK to connect. You can see that, after clicking on Connect, my phone display is working as a second monitor. Now, I work on my PC and show both monitors. Click Google Chrome on my phone, and then we can see that Chrome is open on my PC monitor. Now I show this on my second monitor. At this moment, I will search for YouTube videos and play a video on my primary monitor and phone as a second monitor. I'm playing a video from my channel. This video plays on my PC monitor. Now I play this video on my second monitor. You can see that this video is shown on my mobile display. Now I play this. Now, I open a Word file from my phone. After opening the Word file, I will type something, and we can show this on my phone display, like a monitor. Friends, if you have any queries about using the phone as a second monitor, please type me in the comment box. Friends, please subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button for new and updated technology-related video tutorials.